Physics. Conical pendulum. Conical, conical pendulum is a small bob suspended from a ring and set in UCM in a horizontal plane with center of its circular path below the point of suspension such that the string makes a constant angle theta with the vertical. Conical pendulum is a small bob. Conical pendulum is a small bob suspended from a string and set in UCM in horizontal plane with center of its circular path below the point of suspension such that the string makes constant angle theta with vertical. Conical pendulum is a small bob suspended from a string and set in UCM. A small bob suspended from a string and set in UCM, that is uniform circular motion. Set in UCM, that is uniform circular motion in an horizontal plane. In an horizontal plane with center of its circular path below the point of suspension such that the string makes constant angle theta with the vertical. String makes constant angle theta with the vertical. Conical pendulum is small bob suspended from a string and set in UCM in horizontal plane with center of its circular path below point of suspension such that string makes angle theta with the vertical. Derive expression for angular speed of bob of conical pendulum and also frequency of revolution of bob of conical pendulum. First, consider conical pendulum of with string of length L having bob of mass m. Consider a conical pendulum with bob m and string with length L. Bob of mass m and string with length L. String with length L with its bob of mass performing UCM around a radius R. Radius R. At instant of its motion, the bob is acted by its weight mg downwards and tension F bar or T naught. पुस्तकात टी नॉट हे टेन्शन दिलंय. Weight mg and tension T naught in string. If the constant angular speed is omega, then necessary centripetal force. If constant angular speed of the bob is omega, the necessary centripetal horizontal force is F equal to m omega square r. F equal to m omega square r. F is the resultant of tension in the string and weight. Resolve F bar or in पुस्तकात दिलेलं T naught into components F cos theta and F sin theta. आता इथे वेट डाऊनवर्ड्स ॲक्ट होतं ते mg आणि टेन्शन टी नॉट होतंय ॲक्ट. तर मग एफ साइन थिटा इक्वल टू एम ओमेगा स्क्वेअर आर. जो सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स सेंटरपासून असा सेंटर सिकिंग लागतो या फिरणाऱ्याला असा, तो एफ साइन थिटा आहे. म्हणून एफ साइन थिटा इक्वल टू एम ओमेगा स्क्वेअर आर, विच इज नथिंग अदर दॅन सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स, and f cos theta equal to mg. F cos theta equal to mg, because here f sin theta is acting inwards, and this is f cos theta, which is the weight of the bob of the pendulum, which is the mass of the pendulum, weight mg, acting downwards. Now when we divide these two equations, tan theta ff cut sin upon cos tan theta equal to cancel, omega square r upon g, tan theta equal to omega square r upon g. Tan theta is equal to, from the diagram, tan theta equal to r upon h, which is equal to r upon l cos theta, r upon l cos theta. Therefore r upon h equal to r upon h, tan theta म्हणजेच r upon h equal to omega square r upon g, r upon h equal to omega square r upon g. Omega square is equal to g upon h equal to g upon l cos theta. Therefore taking square root, omega is equal to g upon h, omega equal to g upon h equal to root of g upon l cos theta. आणि आता ओमेगा मिळाल्यावर ओमेगा इक्वल हे ओमेगा इक्वल टू 2 पाय अपॉन टी म्हणजेच 2 पाय एन इक्वल टू जी अपॉन एल कॉस थिटा. देअरफॉर एन इक्वल टू 1/2 पाय जी अपॉन एल कॉस थिटा.